Today we're showing you a 2023 John Deere 5067E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 500M quick attach front loader. Tractor has right around 10 hours. It's practically a new machine. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty, and again also does come with the 500M quick attach loader. The loader does have the global style hookup here for your bucket connection. And again, right around 10 hours, so the tractor is practically new. Still has the pips on the tires. Just about as close to new as we can find for you. Does have the extendable 3-point arms. Drawbar and top link are both with the tractor. Has the stabilizer bars on both sides. Rear hydraulic outlet back here. Also does have the rear work light and the foldable rollover bar. Very nice setup here. The 5067 model is rated at 67 horsepower. Has the 12-speed transmission with the powered reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.